Welcome to my channel. Today, we'll be talking about whether Goodbudget is a free budgeting app. The short answer is yes, Goodbudget does have a free version. This free plan is a great way to get started with budgeting, especially if you're new to the concept. It's built on the envelope system of budgeting, where you allocate your money into different categories, or envelopes, for spending. With the free version, you get 10 regular envelopes and 10 more for goals and annual expenses. You can also use it with one financial account and on up to 2 devices. The free plan also keeps 1 year of your transaction history. It's a solid option for tracking your basic spending and getting a feel for the app. However, Goodbudget also has a paid premium version. This is for users who need more features. With the paid plan, you get unlimited envelopes and accounts, and you can use it on up to 5 devices. The premium version also stores 7 years of transaction history and offers email support. A key feature of the paid plan is automatic bank sync, which is only available for US banks. This means your transactions are automatically imported, saving you the time of manually entering them. So, while Goodbudget is free to start, its full features and functionality are reserved for the paid subscription. The free version is a great tool for simple budgeting, but if you need to manage more accounts, have more categories, or want the convenience of bank sync, you'll need to upgrade. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.